Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 9th standard. Today I will discuss about landforms of Earth mountain second part. Last time I have discussed about the fold mountains. Today I will discuss about block mountain. Block mountains is what? That one we have we know already that the Rift Valley and the block mountains. These mountains are formed as a result of faulting, which is formed due to the tensional and compressional forces. Sometimes these tensional forces move away from one another due to the horizontal force and causing the surface of the earth to crack. And whenever there is a crack is there, immediately some parts will go down and some parts will raise above. So which part goes down, that is called Rift Valley, and which is rising above, then that two parts are called block mountains. If there are two parallel cracks or faults formed, then that the land between the two faults, if sometimes pushed up to form a block mountain, means which one I am saying, that is the raising higher. And otherwise, the sinking of the crust in relation to the surrounding parts of the Earth's mountain is that is faults may cause the block mountain, and so such means two parts raised part is called block mountains, and in between that the faults, the sinking crust is called the sinking or relation to the surrounding parts, either the two parallel faults, that is called the rift valleys. So rift valleys means that is when the crust between two roughly parallel faults sinks down on subsides and narrow steep-sided valleys are formed. In this way, that narrow subsided valleys are formed, that is only Rift Valley. Example we can say that is Garben in German language. Example, as an example we will say that is that the Vosges in France and Black Forest in Germany, and these are the most well Rift Valley, that is Great Rift Valley of Africa. Next I will take that is that the residual mountain. What is residual mountain? When the area of the highland remains that is standing after getting badly eroded by the agents of degradation, that one we can say that is winds, rivers, glaciers, etc. Then the harder rocks which could not be eroded that is left behind, forming a residual mountain. For example, that is Sierra of certain that central Spain, and means of mesas and buttes, which one we have found in the western plateau, are this type of residual plateau. Next now come that what is the significance of mountain? Means we can say what are the importance of the mountains. The cold climate of the mountains, scarcely known as good and fertile soils, steep slopes, snow covered regions, a great obstacle for the farming. We know that. The rugged terrain further added to the difficulties, but man has utilized by the mountain. Everyone we know that. So what are the importance utilization? Number one, terraced farming is practiced in the hill areas, such as there we can do rice, tea, coffee, fruits, etc. are cultivated in this region. Next, number two, herding is much more common in the mountainous regions than farming. Thirdly, we can say lumbering or that the forest activity is another important of the occupation, because so many people are also included with this. And lumbering, you know, that is the cutting down of trees. Is here mountains means use forest, use rainfall, use forest. So there is that it is used means mostly used for the lumbering. So some mountains have minerals deposits, for example tin, copper, gold, platinum, etc. are also found here. And scenic beauty, everybody you know that all the summer vacations we are going to stay there for the scenic beauty and for feeling altitude increases, temperature decreases, so getting cool, for getting coolness, we everybody we are going there. and that the swift flowing rivers are the source of the hydroelectric power, which is the source that the means mountains are the source of the rivers, and from there all the rivers are coming, and because of that, that is the huge amount of water is coming from there also, means volume of water is more. That's why this one is the that hydroelectricity is also found there. It is the swift flowing rivers, and this one is important for all the human people. So up to this video, and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everyone.